Hello, this is Annie from Shenzhen-Jizhao Information, specializing in LCD and OLED digitizer assembly for iPhone. Today I'm gonna introduce the model for iPhone 7 Plus. It's exactly what I'm holding in my hand. There's two options, the white one and the black one. And the resolutions is able to reach 1920 by 1080, and the luminance is able to reach 547.61 candela square meter. For this model, we use ACTFT active matrix LCD type and 175 micron OCA from Mitsubishi and the IC from TSMC. And what's more, there is also oleophobic coating, and in other words is nano coating, which ensures the resistance to oil stains. There are also 360-degree polarized lens supported. If more information needed, please don't hesitate to contact me by this email address. I'm ready to offer more information to you. Thank you.